Hi everybody, it's Steve Ladd with Horan Companies, insurance agency here in Baldwinsville, coming to you today with question number 23 in our series of 100 insurance questions in 100 days. And today's question is, how is jewelry covered on a homeowner's insurance policy? So jewelry, like a few other select items that you might own, is going to be covered on a homeowner's policy to a very, very small degree. Particularly as it relates to its possible value. So let's say, for example, you have a diamond engagement ring that is worth $10,000 or it appraises for $10,000. Your homeowner's insurance policy is probably only covering somewhere between $1,500 to $3,000 for any one piece maximum minus your policy deductible. So in order to make sure that you're properly protected and you're fully covered for the piece that you have, what you'd want to do is do something called scheduling the piece of jewelry. And that means that you obtain either a recent appraisal or the receipt from when it was purchased, if it was a recent purchase, and then you'd contact the agency, and what we would do is we would go ahead and add it to the homeowner's policy and give it its own separate deductible. And oftentimes people choose a much lower deductible, sometimes usually around $100 or $200 at the most, and then we can put it on there for its true value. And in that case, it's covered on what's called an open peril basis, which means you could lose the ring, you could damage the ring, and all of which, if any of those things had happened, all of which would be covered. The same goes for musical instruments, guns, fine arts, furs, stamp collections, and even hearing aids. So all of those things can be put onto a homeowner's policy if it's scheduled appropriately and accordingly, and of course it comes with its own premium. So if you're ever interested in having us take a look at that, please give us a call and we'd be happy to do that for you. Again, this is Steve Ladd coming to you today with question 23, and I will see you tomorrow.